इन्फिनिटी क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम कंपोजिशन ऑफ मैप्स के बारे में आपको बताएंगे। कंपोजिशन ऑफ मैप्स। लेट f and g be two functions, then composition of f and g is denoted by f of g or g of f. F of g is well defined if range of g is a subset of domain of f and g of f is well defined. Well defined means it is a function. If range of f is a subset of domain of g, then fog and goff is well defined means this is a function. For example, if f from a to b and g from b to c be a function, be two functions, then goff is well defined and goff is a function from a to c. And f of g of x is equal to f of gx, and in case of g of f of x, this is equal to g of f of x for all x belongs to domain of g, for all x belongs to the domain of f. For example, take f of x is equal to mod of x and g of x is equal to greatest integer x or box x, then domain of f is R, set of reals, and range of f is equal to set of integers, positive, and domain of g is set of reals and range of g is equal to set of integers. Here fog and goff both are well defined. As for fog, f of g, range of g. Now what is the range of g? Range of g is z, which is a subset of domain of f, R. As for g of f, here range of f is a z positive, means positive integers. This is a subset of domain of g. Domain of g is what? R. So here fog and goff both are well defined. Question: take f of x is equal to mod of x and g of x is equal to greatest integer of x. Find g of f of 5 by 3. Solution: g of f of 5 by 3 means g of f of 5 by 3. What is f of 5 by 3? This is modulus of 5 by 3. 5 by 3 is a positive number, so its modulus is same, 5 by 3. G of 5 by 3 is the greatest integer of 5 by 3. Greatest integer of 5 by 3, because 5 by 3 lies between 1 and 2, so greatest integer is 1. So GOF of 5 by 3 is equal to 1. I think you understand this better now. Next theorem: if f from A to B and g from B to C both are bijective functions, then composition of, that is here GOF is possible and it is a function from A to C, is also bijective. To prove GOF is bijective, we have to prove GOF is 1 1 and GOF is onto. First we prove GOF is 1 1. For 1 1, let GOF of x is equal to GOF of y. Let the images be same, where x and y belongs to domain of GOF A. Implies, by definition of GOF, g of f, this is g of fx and this is g of fy, where f of x and f of y belongs to, f is a function from A to B. If we put x and y from A, we get answer in B, so this belongs to B. And g from B to C is 1 1 function. 1 1 function, if image is same, so the pre-images are same, implies f of x is equal to f of y, where x and y belongs to A. Now f from A to B is 1 1. Now again definition of 1 1, if the image of 2 points from A are same, then the pre-image is also same, implies x is equal to y. So we have GOF of x is equal to GOF of y, where xy belongs to A, implies x is equal to y. So GOF from A to C is 1 1 function. Now we have to prove GOF is onto. GOF is onto. For bijective we have 1 1 and 2 both. For all, GOF is onto means for every element of C there exists some element in A whose image under GOF is equal to the element of C. For all Z belongs to C, since G from B to C is onto, so every element of C has a pre-image in B. So there exists Y belongs to B such that G of Y is equal to Z. Now Y belongs to B and f from A to B is onto. That means for all element of B there exists a pre-image in A. Now Y belongs to B, so there exists x belongs to A such that f of x is equal to y. So combining these two cases, we have so for all z belongs to C, we have x belongs to A such that g of f of x, which is equal to g of f of x by definition. What is f of x? F of x is y. So this is g of y. What is g of y? G of y is z. That means golf of x is equal to z. So for every z belongs to C, we have a pre-image in A. Implies golf is onto. Hence golf from A to C is 1, 1 and 2, hence bijective. So this is the proof of the theorem. So goodbye, we will meet next time.